சயன பெருமாள், சௌமிய நாராயண பெருமாள். திருக்கோட்டியூர், கோஷ்டிபுரம், because Indran, other devatas, Brahmas, Sivan, Indra, all met here.
ஸ்ரீமதே ராமானுஜாய நமக. Today we will visit Tirukkottiyur, one of the 108 Vaishnava Divya Desam, which is located in Sivagangai district, Tamil Nadu. This is also called as Goshtipuram. Goshti means group. Brahma, Shiva, Indra and other devatas met here to discuss about the Hiranya Samharam. It is also told that Narsimha Avataram took in this place only and came out through the pillar to kill Hiranyakashipa in his palace. Main deity in this temple is in Sayana Tirukkolam. He is called as Uraga Mel Anayan. Uraga means snake. Lord is sleeping on the Adiseshan, which is a soft bed. So Uraga Mel Anayan. Uschavaar Saumya Narayana Murthy. This Vigraham is made of silver. Archaka Swami told that the face color of this Uschava Murthy changes during the day, sometimes yellow, sometimes green, sometimes red, which cannot be noticed elsewhere. Thayar Tirumamahal Nachiyar. Vimanam is Ashtanga Vimanam. Work of gold plating of this Ashtanga Vimanam is underway now, and mostly by February 26, the work will be completed. 5 Alvars did Mangala Sasanam to this Perumal. Periyalvar with 22 Pasuram, Tirumangayalvar with 13 Pasuram, Bhudattalvar with 2 Pasurams, Peyalvar 1 Pasuram and Tirumeshayalvar 1 Pasuram. Tirukkottiyur is the birthplace of Tirukkoshti Nambi, who is one of the 5 Acharyas of Ramanujar. Ramanujar, after attempting 18 times, could get the Astakshara Mantra Upadesam from Tirukkoshti Nambi. It is believed that Ramanujar revealed the purpose of Astakshara Mantram, the way to get moksham, from this temple. In spite of warning from his Guru Tirukkoshti Nambi that if he reveals the secret to all, his head will be broken. But Ramanuja thought by sacrificing himself, he can give the golden opportunity to all desired people to get moksham by getting the upadesham of the Astakshara Mantram from the Gurus with the Niyama Nishtam and etc. By seeing the Krupa and the compassion of the Ramanuja, his Guru Tirukkoshti Nambi also forgives him. In this temple, a dedicated Sannidhi for Tirukkoshti Nambi is available, where we can see a small Vigraham of Nammalvar and one more tiny Vigraham at the feet of the Nammalvar, who is Bhavishya Acharya. When Nadamunigal worshipped Nammalvar to get the Nalayira Divya Prabandham, Nammalvar himself gave this Vigraham to Nadamunigal and informs that the Vigraham at the feet of the Nammalvar is Bhavishya Acharya. Bhavishya Acharya is none other than Sri Ramanujar. In Tiruvaimozhi, Nammalvar indicates the birth of Sri Ramanuja in 5 பத்து 2 திருமொழி. பொலிக 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 போயிற்று வல்லுயிர் சாபம், நலியும் நரகமும் நைந்த நமனுக்கு இங்கு யாதொன்றுமில்லை, கலியும் கெடும் கண்டு கொன்மின் கடல் வண்ணன் பூதங்கள் மண்மேல் மலிய புகுந்து இசை பாடி ஆடி உழிதரக் கண்டோம். Nammalvar already indicated in this Tiruvaimozhi that Bhavishyat Acharya Ramanuja, who is going to take avataram near Kadal Bhudangal Manmel, that is Sri Perumbudur, to uplift and save the Vaishnavism. In this temple, Agalvilakku, clay lamp, is famous. These lamps are given by the Archakas, which is equal to Saligramam. To get fulfill of our desires, wishes such as wedding, Santana Prapti, etc., we can take the lamp from this temple. This lamp is to be kept in a box and daily Dhupa Deepa Aradhanam and some Naivedyam is to be done to this lamp. After fulfillment of our wishes, this lamp is to be surrendered again at this temple only by doing puja there. It's very big temple with lot of sculptures on the pillars and still under control of Sivagangai Samasthanam, and it is very well maintained. In our lifetime, we should see this temple and we have to have the darshan of Soumya Narayana Perumal with Tirumamahal Nachiyar. Sri Tirumamahal Nachiyar Sameta Soumya Narayana Perumale Namaha. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha.